Just look at this place. I tell you, don't get in between those Koreans and their cats when they're looking for dinner. And don't get in between them and their mission here in Baraxlow, Arabia, of taking part in the one and only John Melton Brady's religious censorship and isolation. Call 424-229-0911 right now to see that religious censorship for yourself. Try any of my means of communication. And then come here to the 2100 block of Venice, 1665 South Kingsley, for another month at least. Hopefully the last month. And ask any Koreans or any neighborhood members about that man with the posters in his window and that phone number you can't reach, about his religious censorship. Get it on video. Then come show me your street videos in person. I want to see them.